Welcome children to our English literature class. I hope you all are doing well. So after completing the poem Whistle Away, now this is the time for the prose. And the prose which we have in our syllabus in the first term exam, that is Down the Rabbit Hole. It is an extract from Alice Adventures in Wonderland, and it recounts Alice's first sighting of a white rabbit and her fall in the rabbit hole. It was written by Lewis Carroll. Let us see some basic information about the author. He was a teacher of mathematics at Oxford and deacon of Anglican Church, philosopher also. He was seen as a devout scholar. He was very pure in heart. Alice was popular almost from the moment it was published in 1865, and it had remained in print ever since, influencing such disparate artists as Walt Disney and Salvador Dali. In the first paragraph, we will see Alice, the main character, who was tired for sitting long with her sister. They were sitting on the bank and they have no work to do. Her sister, means Alice's sister, was reading a book and Alice was trying to see what she was reading. Alice was not getting any interest in it, as there was no pictures and conversation in it. So children, we know that the child always likes to read the books full of colorful pictures and conversation. So Alice was also not the exception one. As she is very small, so she also likes to get the picture in the book. But when she found that the book which was being read by her sister was not full of colorful pictures and conversation, she was very much upset, and she thought that then what is the use of it? What is the use of this book if it has no pictures, if it has no conversation? In the second paragraph, we will see that the day was very hot, and due to this she was feeling very sleepy and stupid because she has no work to do. She was sitting idly, and when we also don't have any work to do, we feel, and when we get enough leisure time, we also feel sleepy. We also feel sometimes we also feel stupid, like us. Alice was also feeling like this. She had no work to do. She was sitting idly with her sister, and there are many flowers. She thought of picking up the flowers, but suddenly she noticed a white rabbit with pink eyes, and this rabbit was running. In the next paragraph, we will see a wonderful thing. What is the thing? Actually, when Alice saw the rabbit, she was awestruck by seeing the rabbit, who was calling to itself, "Oh dear, I shall be late." It is very difficult to think that a rabbit talks, but it seemed quite natural when rabbit took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket and looked at it. The rabbit was in a hurry. Alice showed his curiosity and started following the rabbit. In the meantime, Alice was also very much surprised that what is going on and why this rabbit is like that. So it was very wonderful sight. She has never seen any rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or watch to take out of it. Alice was very interested to know about this. She started following this, and it ran across the field. At the end of the field, there was a large deep hole under the hedge, and it directly went down. In the next paragraph, we will see that As Alice was following her, she also directly went down, and like this, she was far from the material world. She has lost her elder sister who was sitting on the bank and reading the book, and she completely lost everything and by following the rabbit, and she directly entered into the hole. She noticed that this hole seemed like a tunnel. Generally, they went down. Gradually, they went down. Alice had no time to think of herself. She was not able to make herself stop from falling down a deep well. In this situation, Alice was completely lost. She was not thinking of her family. She was not thinking of her sister with whom she was sitting on the bank, and she did not have any idea what is going on in her surrounding at that moment. Even she thought very much what was going to happen next. So we also don't know where she is going actually. So today I have explained up to this. I did not read the whole chapter, whole paragraph line by line, but I have given you the paraphrase of each paragraph. I hope it is very much clear to all of you. In our next class, we will discuss the rest of the portion. Thank you.